and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with an unbagging. This is for my Live Glam Kiss Me monthly subscription. I got this in the mail today. And for you who don't know what this subscription is, I think it is $19.95 a month. I think like $20. $19.95 a month. You get 3 lip products. Sometimes you get a scrub, or you can change like the products that you get as far as the color. So this is for the month of April. When you first open it, it comes in this packet like this. You get a card and you get this cute reusable satin type of little pouch that you can untie, and it says Live Glam or Live Glam on there, Kiss Me on there. So I altered my colors because it was 2 lippies and 2 liners. I ended up just altering and getting a different combination. So these are how they look. I'm gonna take this off on my lip. The first one is the purple color, and this is the packaging of these when you first take them out. I think the packaging is so pretty. I love these different colors at the top, and then they have this little pink stripe right there, and then it just says Live Glam on there. So we're gonna try this color first. This is the metallic purple. So I'm gonna put it on my arm first so you all can see it. And they smell like cupcake, y'all, like straight cupcake. So this is the first color. Really pretty color. Oh, it's pretty cute. They say, watch what I do. Okay, so this is the first color. This is the applicator. This cupcake smell is amazing. I really like this color. I mean, it could kind of go with this shirt because it has a little purple in it, but this is a pretty color. Y'all tell me what y'all think down below. It's not too bold. It's like just right. You don't even need a liner for real to go with this one, but this is the first color. Second color, this is Dancing for Dollars. This is a warm tone red. It's always up for taking the lead and will make you want to shake that money maker or shake what your mama gave you. So this is how this one looks, and y'all know I love me a red. Like, it's perfect. So this is a bright red. This is like a Vam. Look at me. Look at me, red. Okay. So no, I ain't put it on there perfect, but y'all get it. So this is the next color. Dancing for Dollars. I really like them. This is bold. Like, this is like, step out the way. I'm coming up in that thing. What is you saying? It has a shine to it. I know when it dry, it's gonna dry matte because this is a matte red, but it's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the last color. The last color is Bailey. This is a chocolate lippy that will last all night on the dance floor and make the crowd go crazy. Now you just need some chocolate to go with it. So this is the Bailey. It looks like this. I think this is really pretty. Yeah, this is a nice color. I'm getting like a chocolatey pink looking color, actually. This actually just looks like my lips. That's what it looks like. So this is the color right here. I will probably put a brown liner with this, even though it's already brown, just to make it look, give it that extra pop. But this is how it looks. This is really cute and simple. You can tell, like, you can kind of tell the little tint in it, but it's really cute. So these are all the 3 lippies that I got in this month's Live Glam Kiss Me. That's a stop sign, boo. Oh, it's like a don't turn right. But I really like these packagings. I will put the link down below if you're interested in trying this subscription box to see what they're about. But your girl is obsessed with lippy, so I had to get it. I'm excited to see what next month's gonna bring, but I really like these colors for this month. They weren't as bright as they usually are, and they were more like subtle and wearable. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram and Musics44. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.